It seems that more and more every day we are hearing something about the vegan lifestyle. Most of us probably know somebody who is a vegetarian or a vegan, or who simply seem curious about the idea of going meat-free. What exactly is the appeal? People go vegan for a number of reasons, most of which are very personal to them. Of course, you may find those who are very emotionally connected to their cause and seek to inform and educate others on cruelty-free procedures so that their message can be heard. Advocates of a vegan lifestyle can get a bad rap, probably because it seems like a very extreme adjustment, and some of the ways animals are treated can be truly heartbreaking. Some vegans may take it upon themselves to try and force others to care or understand in ways that can actually really turn the modern masses off of the message. Whether you want to learn more about veganism and what it means, or you are seriously considering a vegan lifestyle and want a guide to help show you the way, you have just come to the right place. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn the basics of going vegan and how it can benefit not only your body and mind, but also the world around us. You will understand what veganism actually means. You will be guided through all the questions you may have, and tools and resources will be provided for those questions this training may not address. You will even learn the difference between vegetarianism and veganism. You will also learn how to build new habits in your journey to beginning your new lifestyle. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Going Vegan, a complete guide to a cruelty-free diet. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is a vegan lifestyle and why does it matter? What is the difference between vegetarianism and veganism? Staying healthy while living vegan. Protein, protein, protein. Old habits die hard. Here's how. Identifying your values and sticking to them. Living vegan beyond the food you eat. Meal planning and preparation. Completing the vegan lifestyle with exercise and proper hydration. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually live a cruelty-free diet. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to be conscientious about the origins of the products you use in the foods you eat. You want to be as animal-friendly as possible. You want the world to avoid the inhumane practices utilized in order to feed the masses, which cause needless suffering to animals. You want to stop animal suffering by refusing to support the industries that allow it. You really want to start living a real cruelty-free lifestyle. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Going Vegan cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Going Vegan mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Going Vegan resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on living a cruelty-free diet by going vegan, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you start living a cruelty-free diet. I'll see you on the inside.